The Breitling Chronomat, a name synonymous with robust, everyday luxury. But today, we're diving into something a little different. The Chronomat Automatic 36 South Sea in ice blue. This isn't your typical tool watch. It's a playful, luxurious twist on a classic. Since its 2020 revamp, the Chronomat has become Breitling's signature sport chic watch. This South Sea edition takes inspiration from the tropics, blending a fresh color palette with subtle gem accents. The 36mm stainless steel case sits comfortably on the wrist, striking a perfect balance between presence and elegance. The ice blue dial is a real highlight, shifting beautifully in different lighting conditions. It's modern, it's fresh, and it's undeniably eye-catching. Now let's talk about the details. Diamonds adorn the hour markers, adding a touch of sparkle. But the real star is the gem-set bezel, a gradient of blue, purple, and pink stones set in 18-karat white gold creates a vibrant yet refined look. It's a subtle splash of color that elevates the entire watch. This model comes with a matching ice blue alligator leather strap, which complements the dial perfectly. And of course, the signature Chronomat rider tabs are present, adding that classic Breitling touch. Powering the Chronomat 36 South Sea is the Caliber 10, a CO-SC certified automatic movement. It's reliable, it's accurate, and it keeps perfect time. While it's hidden behind a solid caseback, it's a testament to Breitling's commitment to quality. With 100 meters of water resistance, this watch is ready for anything, whether you're relaxing by the pool or attending a formal event. This South Sea edition is a fun, colorful take on the Chronomat, offering a blend of sportiness and playful luxury. It's not for everyone, but if you appreciate a touch of color and sparkle, it's a compelling option. However, the $10,950 price tag is a significant investment. While the gems and precious metals add to its allure, it's worth considering whether the premium is justified for your personal taste. Breitling does offer the rouleau bracelet option, but in my opinion, the leather strap enhances the subtleness of the bezel. The bracelet version can be a little too over the top. It is a matter of taste. The Breitling Chronomat Automatic 36 South Sea in ice blue is a unique and captivating watch. For more information, visit Breitling's website. Thank you for watching.